Rich people are evil. They get their money from plundering other people, or they're only rich because they're lucky and they're never truly happy. You'll lose the greatest joys in life once you have money because it will control you. Sounds familiar? I've been hearing this from old people while growing up. Poor old people. And I used to believe it, especially when they say, aanhin mo pa ang bahay na bato kung nakatira naman ay kuwago. Buti pa ang kubo kung ang nakatira naman ay tao. Being poor means happy and contented, while having money means selfishness and greed. But is it true? Is it true that money will only give you temporary pleasures? Then you'll be miserable. In my observation, there are two types of people who say this. One, those who don't dream, because it's easier to enjoy the comfort in poverty than put an effort to change your life. The second one are those who doesn't want you to succeed. They villainize your perception about money and fantasize about poverty so you won't think big. That way, you won't be a threat to them. Truth is a bitter pill to swallow, isn't it? Most of my friends who are from rich families are polite. They speak kind words, they're generous, and they're easier to communicate with. They do not assume negative things. They're not easily triggered. Upon observing this, I came to a conclusion. Maybe this is because they get to live their life. They live, they don't just survive. The truth is, if you have money, you have the means to do a lot of good things. I've read this from a book titled Eight Habits of the Happy Millionaire by Sir Bo Sanchez. Money will help you have a good life. Money will help you to stay healthy. Money will help you to experience great things with your family. Go on a trip, have a comfortable home, eat delicious foods. Money will give you a chance to help other people. Because after all, money is just a tool. Money don't change a person. It can't. It's just a piece of paper. But rather, money reveals who you truly are.